Hi everyone, welcome to Inocyx Crypto Exchange. In this video, you will learn how to add bank details in the Inocyx app step by step. First, make sure you have successfully completed the KYC process. After login into the app, go to the home page. At the top of the screen, you will see the Add Bank Details option. Click on this option to begin the process. Next, enter your bank account number and IFSC code carefully in the record field. Double check the details before proceeding to next step. Next, let's see how to add UPI ID in the app. After entering your bank details, you will again see the Add Bank Details section at the top. Click on it and select the UPI option. The UPI page will open. You can choose any UPI app that is convenient for you, such as Google Pay or PhonePe. For example, if you select Google Pay, you will be automatically redirected to the Google Pay app. You will see a 1 rupee verification deposit transaction. A small amount is used only for bank verification and the 1 rupee will credit back within 3 days. Once you complete the 1 rupee verification process using your UPI or UPI ID, your bank details will be successfully linked to your Inocyx account. These are the two main steps to complete your bank details in the Inocyx app. First, adding your bank account information, and second, verify your UPI. Thank you for watching.